Hi everyone, welcome to SSL DevOps course. Today is a day 45 class where I will show you a demo where I will use Route 53 Elastic Load Balancer SSL. So I will create a website in EC2, then I will show that website by Route 53 using Elastic Load Balancer and SSL. So before we start the video, just a quick reminder, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I share DevOps and cloud tutorials packed with real hands-on projects to boost your skill fast. So in this project, basically I will first create a EC2 and in the EC2 I will install a website. Then basically in front of the EC2 I will add a Elastic Load Balancer, and in front of the application load balancer I will add a Route 53 DNS, like any DNS name, like in this example I will show DevOps.com. So in this DNS I also add SSL certificate. So the summary is like I will install or deploy a website in EC2, and EC2 like in front of the EC2 there is a application load balancer, and in front of the application load balancer there will be Route 53 and SSL. So user when try to browse that website, it will first hit the Route 53 with the SSL, then it will hit the load balancer, then under the load balancer that website will show from the EC2. So for showing the demonstration, I first need to create a EC2. It is just simple EC2. Just need to install HTTPD, then just simple message hello from DevOps steps. Then we'll start the HTTPD and enable the HTTPD. This is a simple step. So I already create a EC2 in this showing the demo. So there is the EC2. So if you browse the EC2, just copy the IP. You can see that message is showing. Okay, so for make the video less time, I have already created that EC2. So now I will create the application load balancer. So let me go to the EC2 dashboard. So if you scroll down, then to create the load balancer, you also need a target group for creating the load balancer. So just create the load balancer. You do the application load balancer. Just create, give any name, ALB1. I just keep everything same. Just select all available zone. Then in security group, just use the any existing one. In my case, I have already created that EC2. Just make sure like HTTP port is 80 and HTTPS port is 443, and if you want to SSH, also enable the SSH port. Okay, so we need target groups. That's why I already opened the target group. So just create a target group. It will be instances. Just give a name. Let's give it TZ1. Keep everything same. Next, I just add this running EC2 in this target group. So click inbound pending below. Create target group. So a target group is created, and within 1 minute it will show in the healthy state. Then so now refresh the target group and it will show TZ1. Okay, so create load balancer, and it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to ready the load balancer. So let me grab the application load balancer URL, which is this one. So I already told you it will take a little bit time, so you need to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So go to the documentation again. So in the meantime, we do the SSL certificate. For creating the SSL certificate, we need to go to the console and you need to type Certification Manager. So it will open. Just make sure your load balancer region, EC2 region, and your certificate manager is the same region. So you need to make sure you need to change this one. So use this one. So request, next, and here we need a domain name or subdomain. In my case, I will use DevOps.com. And if you haven't registered a domain, you can show the demo. So for that purpose, you need a domain name. So for opening Route 53, which is DNS in the AWS. So if you buy any domain, or then you can request a domain from here. After creating a domain, you can get this hosted zone. So if you click the hosted zone, here is only one domain, So there's a one record is showing. So this is the domain name. So you can like either use by doing from AWS, or if you want to like any third party like GoDaddy or Dyna.com, anywhere you can just add the domain. So if you like use any different one like GoDaddy, then make sure create a hosted zone at the same DNS name, like here is DevOps steps. So if you want to see like abc123.com, so just same domain name, you need to create a hosted zone. So file name should be the same, and this DNS record you need to put in that GoDaddy or Dyna.com or any third party DNS server. Okay, so like for like showing the demo, we need this DNS record or hosted zone. So you can see there is two record. Just after creating a hosted zone file, AWS will give this two record. So in my certificate manager, okay, so we put that domain name, then just request. So it is going to creating. We need to wait around 30 to 40 seconds. So it's created, it is showing pending below. We need to add this record to the Route 53. So just click create record in Route 53, then create record. So it is showing pending now. It will like show issued within a minute. So just click refresh, you can see another CNAME record is added. Now if you like go here and refresh the certificate manager, you can see it should be issued. Do it, you can see it's issued. Okay, so our certificate manager is issued. Now we need to go to the documentation. So let me check the like our application load balancer is working or not. You can see our application load balancer is now working the same website which was shown from the EC2. So both are same. So when you click the application load balancer, behind the load balancer, it will basically show the website from that EC2. Okay, so go to documentation now. So our SSL certificate also created, application load balancer created. So now we'll like attach this SSL certificate to this like application load balancer. For that purpose, you need to go to the load balancer. Here we already when you created is HTTP, which 80 port is listener already created. So we need to create another listener which is 443. So add listener. Then it would be HTTPS and port is 443. Scroll down, your target group it should be here, TZ1. Scroll down and your certificate should be showing here. So if you click here, you can see your certificate showing here. So select that one and create add listener. So that it is also showing provisioning. It will take a little bit time. So now it's active. So now this certificate is attached to the application load balancer. Now we will create a DNS record for that domain. So creating the DNS record, just click create record, and our domain is simple DevOps.com. So we don't put anything in the subdomain. Enable the alias, select the endpoint, alias to application and classic load balancer, then choose your region. We are using US East 1. So US East 1, which is not Virginia. Then your load balancer will be showing. Just click create record. So view status pending, it will issue or syncs within a minute because we are using everything in AWS. So 20 to 40 seconds it will synchronized. Just a few seconds. You can see synchronized. So now if you type devopssteps.com, which is this domain, it will basically connect to the application load balancer and EC2 and showing this website. Okay, so HTTPS, now we can use HTTPS. So devopssteps.com, enter. You can see the website is showing and you can see this is secure. DevOps.com connection is secured. Okay, so when a user trying to browse any website, it will first hit the DNS, which is route 53. DNS will send data from application load balancer, and application load balancer will serve the data from the EC2. Okay, so this way basically we are using in the AWS. So which steps I using in this demo? Everything you get it from here. So we are using route 53, and just browse the website. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. In the next video, I'll discuss in different topics of DevOps. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.